One of the tasks of a data steward within FairWizard is preparation of knowledge models. A knowledge model is a collection of chapters, questions, answers, and other components used to generate a questionnaire for researchers to fill out. The knowledge model editor is used to edit existing knowledge models or create new ones. A new editor can be created either by clicking the Create button or by selecting Create Knowledge Model Editor from the drop-down menu of any knowledge model. After filling out metadata about the new knowledge model, the data steward is taken to the knowledge model editor. In the knowledge model tab, there are two main components: the tree-like structure on the left that shows all chapters, questions, follow-up questions, answers, metrics, phases, question tags, and integrations. All those pieces together form the knowledge model. In the central part of the knowledge model editor, there is an area for editing any of the previously mentioned items. This area can be accessed either from the menu on the left or by clicking through the links to items that are subsidiary to the opened item. The Phases tab provides overview of all questions and phases. The data steward can easily assign any question to any phase. This can also be done in the Knowledge Model tab, but the Phases tab offers more clear overview of whole knowledge model. Phases are used to indicate to researchers when in the project lifecycle it is necessary to answer certain question. The Question Tags tab works in the same way as Phases. Any question can be tagged, and those tags can be used to generate different questionnaire from one knowledge model. Preview tab shows how questionnaire generated from the knowledge model would look like at a moment. Any question can be answered, but answers will not be saved. Phases can be changed, and text selection is also available. Last tab is Settings, where knowledge model metadata can be changed. License and README also need to be filled before a knowledge model is published, which is necessary in order to be able to use it to generate questionnaire. The knowledge model can be published by clicking the Publish button in the top right corner. It is recommended to check the knowledge model metadata before publishing. Once the knowledge model has been published, it is available in the knowledge models list, where it can be used to create a questionnaire or another knowledge model editor. Because the knowledge model is versioned, it is also possible to create a new version at any moment. Just note, it has to be published again to be usable. The free starter instance of the FairWizard comes with a pre-created knowledge model, which can be immediately used to create questionnaire for researchers. Additionally, it can also be utilized to create a knowledge model editor for editing purposes or for learning how the knowledge model is composed.